Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering DISM error 14098, the component store has been corrupted, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is to run the SFC scan using the command prompt. Right click on run as administrator, yes, and then we'll enter the command sfc space slash scannow and we'll press enter. Once the scan is over or during the scan itself, we can also clear the system files or delete the system files by going to device cleanup, disk cleanup, clicking on OK, and then we'll clean up the system files by clicking on this. OK, and I have done that. Now I'll make sure that all these boxes are ticked and click on OK and click on delete files. Now once that is done, I just wait for it to finish. It's taking quite some time. It's done. All right, so once that is done, we will also uninstall some Windows updates. So right click on the start bar, go to settings, and we'll click on Windows Update, click on Update History, and we'll click on Uninstall Updates. Now, suppose for example, I install this update on the 9th of, on the 3rd of September 2024. Now, after the 3rd of September, I am getting this DISM error. That means there is something wrong with this update. This update is corrupted. So I will have to uninstall it. I will click on uninstall and uninstall again. And then I will simply wait for the SFC scan to get over and then click on the start button, click on the power button and then restart the computer. And you should no longer encounter this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.